Full line in the very first ball. He got off the mark. Good looking shot, but straight to the field. Excellent fielding there. Saved a definite boundary. What a beauty from the fielder. Oh, this time finds again the ball. Racing there. The first boundary coming up here for Badem Sports Club. And Prathamesh Gaur was executing that in style. Good line. Excellent line from Brijesh.
Watchfully played straight back to the ball. After the completion of 1 over, score is 7 for no loss.
Little room. Once again, a beauty from Prathamesh Gaur. The ball went like a rocket. What a cracking beauty once again. Blasting his way through the offside. And 23 after the completion of 3 overs. Appeal for got behind and the batsman is walking. Bridges strikes, the very first wicket goes down. Prathamesh Gaur wanted to play but snicked it. Just a fine nibble and the wicketkeeper takes a brilliant catch. So 23 for 1 in the 4th over. Coming down the target, misses completely. Wicketkeeper makes it a good effort. Just managed to take the ball off. So Tushar Narvikar departs. Good stumping from wicketkeeper captain Samar Dubashi. 27 for 2 in the 5th over as Amulya Pandekar strikes. Pitch delivery and look at that. Rise of the delivery, wide signaled. Perfect line waiting is the call from Vaibhav. And over is the call from umpire after the completion of 6 overs of the power play. 30 for 2. Badem Sports Club. Nicely worked, but straight back to the bowler. Good looking shot inside out, but finds the fielder. But this time the ball will run to the boundary. Nicely sliced and beautiful piece of shot field. The ball will do the running. No need for the batsman to run. A beautiful boundary this time from Vaibhav Goenkar. Flashy shot. Oh, he drops it. These are the opportunities that needs to be taken. As there is a saying, catches wins matches. It wasn't a difficult catch at all. Once again, slightly fumble in the fielding from Amulya Pandekar. 47 after the completion of 8 for 2. Good sweep, excellent timing. 1 bounce, 2 fence. A cracking beauty from Goenkar. 10th over in progress. Lofted shot. The ball is in the air, in the gap as well. The ball is racing away. There is a fielder in pursuit. Good work. But won't stop 2 runs to take the score to 64 after the completion of 10. 64 for 2. Good looking shot. Excellent drive on the onside. 11 gone, 60. Oh, the ball is up in there. Someone should take this. And this time the captain departs. So 3 wickets down in the 12th over. Watchfully played and mix up. Excellent shot once again. The timing was perfect and the placement brilliant from Vaibhav Goenkar. Going for scoop and did it so well. That reminds me of A.B. de Villiers. A beautiful boundary in the deep fine leg region. A beauty from Aditya Suryavanshi. Look at that beauty, nice and straight down the ground, but finds the fielder. This time he takes the dangerous looking batsman, and a sensible inning from Vaibhav Goenkar comes to an end after 17.2 overs. 5th wicket goes down on the total of 115 Badem Sports Club. Good looking shot, finds to get the ball, races away like a rocket. A beautiful delivery from Aditya Suri once again lofted shot. The ball is up in there. There is a fielder, will he be taken? Drops it. Amulya Pandrekar almost held on to it. He's not doing good when it comes to field. Last over after 19 overs, 129 for 5. This time Selesi, the ball rocketed away. Excellent fielding from Sanket Moraskar. What it looked like, the ball will just go across to the boundary. Excellent piece of work in the deep. Saved 3 runs for his team. Oh, good shot from Aditya Suryavanshi. One bounce to fence, and they were looking for this boundary, and they gets it in this over. 135 with that cracking beauty, and 136 is the target to achieve and win.
I have with me Vaibhav Govekar of Badem Sports Club. Vaibhav, म्हाका सांग कशें दिसता ह्या टुर्नामेंटान फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पार्टिसिपेट जावपाक?
Yeah, it's a great feeling playing here after a long time with a white ball. Pretty good organization with good wicket to bat on. So it's a great feeling coming back here.
Geno Prudent T20.
Anglays, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Ribera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Anglays since 1950.
तुमच्या घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध, आकर्षक डिस्काउंट, कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर, खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सहित सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांक. आयजूच येयात नादात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचाले वयल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
The betting order for Ghumteshwar Margaon. They've got a target of 136 to achieve and win this first match. Nicely worked. Beats the shot fielder. The ball is in the race. Could be a first bound. It looks like the ball will just make it to the bound. And yes, it does. Amay Damshekar, what a fantastic way to open an account for himself with a boundary. Oh, mistimed. And the ball is right in the hands of the fielder, and Vaibhav Govekar takes that catch. There was a confusion, but good work from Vaibhav, and that's the departure of Amay Damshekar. Wanted to play miscued. The top pitch takes the ball up and in the hands of the fielder. A lofted shot this time, gets hold of this one, but that ball has gone a distance. Huge, high, handsome sixer. Good looking shot, not sure whether it's palm or the ball is racing. Will it? Yes, it will win the race for sure. A boundary from Shivam Amonkar. Shot of a length and pull beautifully. Beats the short fielder, gets the boundary. Back to back boundaries from Shivam Amonkar. Bang, she goes. A shot of a length played straight down the ground in between mid-on and mid-off. Boundary from Shivam Amonkar. Oh, this time good hold of the bat. The ball is in there. And falling away, one bounce to fence. A beautiful boundary coming up after a long time for Ghumteshwar Margaon. And this boundary will definitely boost his confidence sky high for sure. What an excellent shot, and enough of the bat on that one. One bounce to fence as the ball races away to the boundary and making sure whether it's a boundary or a six fielder. It's a boundary to bring an end to this 7th over. Coming down the track and good hit, but calculated, not very far, not too short. Good looking shot, nice and straight down the ground, and what a way to bring the 51 bounce to fence. 50 up, in fact 53, with that outstanding shot after the completion of 8 overs for 1. Coming down the track and good hit in the gap. The ball is racing and will win the race. And yes, it does. A beautiful boundary coming up in the deep square leg for the left-hander. Vaishnav Pednekar in style executing that boundary. Coming down the track and good hit once again this time. What a beauty. The ball coming right out from the middle. Bang, she goes. After 10 overs, 69 for 1. In every match there is a man of the match, a beautiful Timex watch to be given away as the man of the match, sponsored by Timex. Good looking shot, excellent timing. Once again, the placement was brilliant. This time from Shivam Amonkar. races away to the boundary. Good looking shot once again. Excellent cover drive. A glorious one. The timing was perfect. Oh, cracking shot. One bounce, two fence. Oh boy, you beauty. You definitely doing the duty. What an excellent shot and a good swing of the arms, and the extension was just brilliant. 88 for 2 is Vaishnav Pednekar. Wanted to play but finds the fielder. Good catch by the fielder. Excellent shot and enough of the bat on that one. The ball races away to the boundary. Coming down the track and good pick up and throw. The finger goes up from the square leg umpire. Third wicket goes down of Ghumteshwar Marka. Well bowled, excellent delivery. Absolutely fox the batsman, all ends up. Clean bowled. What a beauty from Vaibhav Goenka. Giving himself room and playing straight to the captain, who got the safest pair of hands. And Shivam Amunkar, departing after contributing such a valuable runs. He's walking back to their dugout. Ghumteshwar Margaon losing their 5th wicket. What a shot this is! Gets hold of this one. It's sailing many miles in there for a 6. Sarvanan going big. Another good hit. Once again the ball is in there. Will it go all the way? It looks like it will just fall short and drop a catch. 8 balls, 9. What a hit this is! It's huge, high, handsome, humongous, titanic, gigantic and monumental sixer from Sarvanan. So 2 runs to take the score to 135, just 1 run away from. So that's it, and congratulations for Ghumteshwar Margaon for a spectacular win. So that's the result of the first inaugural match. Ghumteshwar Margaon winning.
Siddhi Decorators. We create sweet memories forever. We are specialized in all decorations with cloth draping, flower decorations, artificial and natural flowers, Vidhi Mandap, balloon decorations, baby shower setup, thread ceremony, naming ceremony, everything in lights and sound, banquet setup, wedding packages, birthday packages to create sweet memories. Call Siddhi Decorators, proprietor Deepak Mandrekar, shop number 6 and 7, Siddesh Apartments, opposite Bank of Baroda, Giri. You can also contact us on 9422-640-532 or 9158185302 or 9158185302.
Combine business with pleasure at the Crown Goa Hotel for joyous birthday celebrations, conferences, theme parties, and lots more. The popular hotspot Harbour Cafe, the 24-hour coffee shop, offers its signature midnight buffet. Rejuvenate and pamper your senses at Divine Spa. For reservations, call on 0832 240 0000.
Let's go!
Turi Design Events. We are specialized in corporate parties, wedding planning, birthday parties, and family get-together. Turi Azilos, specialized in handcrafted products. Azilos hand-painted tiles, nameplates, clay potteries, and crockery. Call us on 9764 529968 or 9822 155 409. Shed number D2/13, Bicholim Industrial Estate, Bicholim, Goa.
LG Motors, dealers for Vespa, Aprilia and Suzuki two-wheelers. Experience the latest bikes and the models like the Suzuki XS, Suzuki Gixxer, Vespa, Aprilia 150 and 150 Race. Booking also open for the upcoming Suzuki Intruder. For more information, contact 0832 22 33 905.
Ladies and gentlemen, what would have been a lazy Sunday morning was turned out into a cricketing action between Ghumteshwar Margaon versus Badem Sports Club. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the presentation party. My name is Rohit and you're watching Geno Prudent T20, which starts from today till the 17th of December at the Goa Cricket Association Academy Grounds, Porvorim. Ladies and gentlemen, for the presentation party, I have with me Mr. Kundan Fogeri of Fogeri Caterers to kindly join us on stage. Also, I have Kadambari Bhagwat, Corporate Manager of Geno Pharmaceuticals. Well, first I would request Neeraj Lotrikar to kindly join us on stage, the captain of Badem Sports Club. Yes. Neeraj, if you can join us, what was the problem? Do you find it disappointed to be knocked out of the first match itself?
Fielding was a little bit problem. We said that catch drop, match gone.
Okay.
That's the problem.
But was the score the problem?
Score was good actually. I think fielding
is lack.
Yeah.
No problem, Neeraj. I wish you and your team best of luck for your future endeavors.
Thank you.
I now call upon the winning captain, Samar Dubashi, to kindly come up on stage, captain of Ghumteshwar Margaon. Samar, it's winter and summer has shined so beautifully. How does it feel to be starting on a winning note?
I'm very happy that we have won and we have started with a win. Hope
Okay.
it continues.
Okay, best of luck for your future endeavors and future matches. I now call upon, thank you. I now call upon the man of the match who scored in 47 ball, 53 runs with 8 fours. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, make some noise for Shivam Amonkar from Ghumteshwar Margaon. The time is great and you've got a Timex watch. You know, how was it playing in the second inning here for the Geno Prudent T20?
I had a very good fun. I hope it continues.
Okay,
Next match also.
Okay, you've got great support in the crowd and I hope that support continues for the future matches as well. Thank you very much, Shivam. Thanks a lot. A pleasure. Well, that's all from the presentation party. The second match that's going to be is the match between Goa Police and Albert Developers, which will take place at 2 o'clock. So stay tuned, be here. You'll get to watch all the highlights from here at the Geno Prudent T20. I'll just quickly take the names of the sponsors who have supported us. We thank Geno Pharmaceuticals, our title sponsors, Goa Cricket Association, our associate sponsors, Anand Bose Constructions, Sri Michael Lobo, Honorable Deputy Speaker and MLA Kalangut, Deccan Fine Chemicals associate sponsors, Ozone Group, Riker Jewelers, Radhatma Furniture, VLG Motors, AG Garments, Fogeri Caterers, Anglaise, Timex, Fitness Bar, Studio 9, Turi Events, G-Wave, Siddhi Decorators, Kingfisher, Suraj Pirgaonkar, the Crown, our hospitality partner, and our media partner, the Goan Everyday and Goan Varda. That's all from Rohit. Thank you very much.